What's up, guys? I'm here at the shop, and today I'm going to be doing a unboxing. Got a new liner here from Jefferson down in Austin, Texas, and Jefferson machines. So I've got a couple cool stickers here. He threw in secret base tattoo. This is where he tattoos at. Jefferson Arizumi. That's his tattoo Instagram. And then a couple more stickers. His machine Instagram is Jefferson Machine MFG, if you want to check him out on there. So I've actually already unboxed this and used it twice, just so that I could see what we're working with. So this is what it came in, and this is a liner that he had posted on his story, and I decided I liked it enough to buy it. So this is it. Comes just like that. I mean, it is so clean. I love the spider web on there. I love the materials he uses, the colors. I mean, the details are just crazy on this. Yeah, what's really cool is, I mean, it's just so well balanced. You can just set it up straight, just like that. You know, I feel like that's a good mark, like this machine. It has to sit at an angle. It's not balanced enough to stay upright. So let's get this loaded up real quick and do a test run, see how it sounds for you guys. Sorry for all the commotion. I'm also at the shop, and I feel awkward filming this video at the shop, so that's why I'm speaking a little bit quiet. I'm hoping that the movie my coworker's watching is loud enough to the point he can't hear me doing this review. So yeah, I mean, I've been wanting to get a really nice machine for a while, but I didn't think I could afford it, or, you know, just having a bit of a scarcity mindset. But I broke the back spring on this liner. I'm about to send that in today and get it replaced. But it made me decide I want to just go ahead and go in on a really high quality machine like this one, because I've only had that other liner for about a year, and it's a good machine. It's been good to me. It's Nelson Rodriguez machine. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded up here. See how it sounds. So there you have it. That's unboxing and review on my new Jefferson liner. Check them out at Jefferson Machine MFG on Instagram, and Jefferson Irizumi as well. He's got plenty of really awesome machines. He's a really nice guy as well. Support local tattooers, support equipment made by tattooers. Don't fall for the corporatization of this beautiful craft. I'll see y'all next time.